So, hi everyone, I am Nikita Fajika and I am the president for the Media and Communications Collective, and basically we are, a student union social group that does a lot of industry-based activities for our course, Media and Communications. So anyone in that course is welcome to join, and if you're not in that course but interested in things like advertising and PR, please join. We have a podcast coming out soon which is focused all things media and comms. So we have an episode, our first one, which is about TikTok. If it doesn't get banned by ScoMo, please, because I don't know what else I'll be doing during isolation. Our club's only brand new. We started a year ago and we've done fun things in the past, non-COVID related, such as a boat party. We've done industry nights where we've had actual professionals come in and network and talk to us. So come join our club, meet the people in your course, have a good time, socialize and network for the future. Why not, hey?